I can feel money flowing through my hands. I grip and count money in my hands, which gives me a sense of accomplishment. I can earn as much money as I like. The wealth I have is the result of my hard work. When I close my eyes, I feel money flowing through me because I do a lot of work for it. I smell the money, and it gives me a far greater sense of security, and I feel satisfied. I am a money magnet. My emergency money proliferates. I believe I can earn a lot of money. My positive thoughts tell me I can earn a lot. Money gives me pleasure. I can afford anything I want because of the money I have. My bank account is increasing with the amount of money I receive. I have a lot of money in my wallet. My wallet is filled with dollars. When I close my eyes, I see money falling as if it is raining. I have positive vibes about my money. My wealth is growing. I am no more money conscious. Before going to sleep, I count my money, and it gives me a more profound sense of satisfaction. I have a great relationship with money. I can happily pay all my bills. Money makes me feel fulfilled. A lot of money appeases me. I feel safe when I have money. Money is the root of harmony and comfort. Money enhances my experience and opportunity. I always accept new paths of income. I move from scarcity thinking to liberal thinking. Money comes to me in predicted and unpredicted ways. Money makes me feel comfortable because it solves almost all my problems. I feel secure when I have money, and I go out without worries. I can buy whatever I want, whenever I want. No one can stop me from buying things because I have more than enough money. I have enough wealth to support my family and friends for a long time. Money in hand feels like a completed accomplishment and having been paid for work. Too much money is not enough money for me. My actions create reactions that pay me a lot of money. My bond with my wealth is getting stronger day by day. I love it when I attract money. My money does not disappoint me. As I grow and my wealth grows, I enjoy life more. The money I have is enough that I can buy whatever I desire. My choices depend on the money I have now. I do not settle for less anymore because I have the power to buy expensive things. My state does not upset me anymore because I earn every day, whether I am sleeping or awake. At the end of the day, I earn a lot of money. Money making is a habit, and it does not stop. It keeps on growing. Money making is not a passion. It is a skill one acquires with time. I am so grateful for the money I have at the end of the day. Shortage and scarcity are just deception and illusion. They do not exist because I have a lot of money. I allow money to wander around me quickly. I choose to think positively about the money I have. I invest my money into something which gives me more money in return. The world leads me to great opportunities every day. I choose to stay focused and give my undivided attention to money. Financial well-being is the new health. Money comes to me in fun and exciting ways. I am organized and responsible with money. I choose to focus on exciting parts of my life, and money comes and flows around without me being concerned. Having money, I feel calm and composed and financially independent. I love the freedom that comes with money. I love the essence of not being dependent on others. I can make money whenever I like because my skills are improving day by day. Shortage and scarcity are mere words to me, and they don't matter to me anymore. My faults and my anxiety do not become hurdles in my daily money-making life. Feeling the dollars in your hand after a long job feels right. I rely on more than one source of income, so that I can earn more money because some money is not enough money. I am choosing positive thoughts with my money now. I deserve to live a chic lifestyle and buy a grand mansion, which is possible through the money I am earning. When I visualize having money, I receive more payments. I kill those demotivating thoughts because I am born to achieve. I count my money whenever I feel like I am short of it. Counting money gives me a sense of satisfaction. I love and respect money a lot. I am clear on the more divine purpose life has to serve me and bless me with money. My thoughts never go off track because I love to earn money, and my cash deserves the respect it needs. I maintain the best connections and surround myself with people who make a lot of money. I engage in optimal money-making habits day after day. I am committed to making money every day. I have a positive mindset and attitude towards wealth. I will develop and focus on clear intentions, which gives me more money. I have a clear understanding of the money I am making. I have that initiative in my hand through which I can increase my money. The world looks so much better when I am rich. Everything I touch, I buy, because there is no limit for me. I earn every day. I take some of my time to learn more ways to earn more money. When I do what I love, I earn more money than I earn on regular days. Money is dear to me. I spend money without any concern because I earn much more than I spend. Money gives me relaxation and peace of mind every day. Every day I manifest more and more money.